Question for you guys. What does this balloon, this light, this camera, and this pancake lens all have in common? They're all different ways that you can make money the lazy way with Amazon. Watch this entire video to learn how you can make money with Amazon the lazy way, the exact content that you need to create, and how you can make money with Amazon really simple, easy, and quite frankly, pretty lazy. Hello, my name is Austin Godbolt, and as a successful affiliate marketer, I've made money with everything from security cameras, web hosting, microwaves, soundbars, and even online courses. If you want to learn real affiliate marketing tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to austingodbolt.com/start for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. All right, so in this video, we're going to do a few things. We are going to look at some very easy ways, simple ways for you to make money with Amazon. I'm going to show you examples from my account of this actually working. Yes, this works for these water balloons and any other product that you see. And I'm going to show you how you can get started really, really fast. So the first thing that I want to show you my YouTube channel where I'm doing this. I'm going to show you a few videos where I'm doing this, and I'm going to show you an example of someone buying this water balloon based on a simple 3-minute video that I created. So the first thing I want to show you is I want to show you my YouTube channel that is just dedicated to unboxings and reviews. All right, so let's take a look at this. This is my YouTube channel, Unboxing and Reviews. It only has, it looks like 6 videos up at this point. And someone watched this video on these water balloons. It's the third one from the right. It only has 23 views, but from that 23 views, I actually earned a commission from it. I'll show you my back office of Amazon in just a moment, but you can see that you don't need a lot of traffic in order to do this. You just need to create content. I'm going to show you and tell you what type of content to create. Now let's take a look at my back office and the purchase from Amazon. So if we take a look here, you can see right here, these bunch of balloons, 100 rapid fill, crazy color something. You can see it was purchased within the last few days right from my Amazon back office. So let's go ahead and talk about how you can do this. What you're going to do is you're simply going to create content around stuff that you've already purchased. Now, it's really simple and it doesn't get much more complicated, but I'm going to tell you the type of content. There's 5 pieces of content that you're going to create for each product, and I'm going to show you and tell you what you need to do so that you can get traffic and make sales. So the first thing that you want to do is come over to Amazon. You're going to sign in, obviously, and you're going to click on returns and orders. And I'm going to show you this works literally for anything. And under returns and orders, we are going to take a look at recent purchases. Now, what we're going to do is we are simply going to open everything up that you recently purchased. I'm going to open up that light that I showed you in the very beginning. We can do this for socks if we wanted to, believe it or not. What I want to show you is I want to show you this high protein iced coffee, because there is a misconception out there that this will only work for tech products, but I'm going to show you that this can work for anything. So the next step, now that we have a few products, is you really want to create 5 pieces of content for each product that you have. So first I want to copy this like this, and we actually got this as a gift for teachers appreciation. So and I'm just going to paste this in just like this, hit enter, and what we're looking for is we want to see if people are searching this. And when I just copy the name and I pasted it in, you can see there are 5,000 views, only 113 subscribers, 1,000 views, 8,000 subscribers. You can see that people are looking up this type of content. Okay, and we can do this again. Let's take a look at this other product here. This is getting lots of reviews over on Amazon because it is considered a tech product and it's decently priced. And so if we paste this in, let's get rid of that, like that. One more time, you can see that people are searching this. This is good. There are people out there that are interested in this type of content or this type of video. You can see thousands of views from channels of all sizes, really. This is 3,000 subscribers, 1,000 views. So that's a good view to subscriber ratio. People are looking up this type of product. There are 20 subscribers here, 329 views. So another great view to subscriber ratio. But the one that I really want to show you, because people will think it only works for a certain type of product, this actually would work as well for literally anything. And so if we come back over to YouTube once again, and I paste it in just like this, you're going to see the top result here, 2,000 views, 2,000 subscribers. the one below it, which is a little off base, 38,000 views, 835 subscribers, 35 views, 2 subscribers. So this works with literally any product that you can buy over on Amazon. So step 2 out of the way. We have products, we know that they work. Step 3 is to sign up for Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is the affiliate marketing wing of Amazon.com. And to do it, there's a few different ways. You can search Amazon Associates, or you can go to Amazon and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen and click on Become an Affiliate. So once you have that, it takes about 15 minutes to sign up. You are going to sign up, use your YouTube channel, because we're going to be creating YouTube videos. Use your YouTube channel as the website, and you'll get provisional or conditional acceptance. You need to have 3 qualified sales within, I believe it's 90 days or 6 months for you to gain full acceptance. And once you have full acceptance, you just need to have like 3 sales per year. So now that we have the examples, we have the products, we've signed up for Amazon, the next thing that we need to do is we need to create 5 pieces of content. You can create more if you want, but you need to create these 5 pieces of content in order to start getting traffic, leads, and sales. The first thing that you want to do, and we're going to, let's use this product since I've already got it up. We're going to copy this. We're going to come back over to YouTube. We're going to paste it in just like this, and we are going to type in unboxing, okay? And I'm going to show you what my unboxing video looks like to show you that it doesn't have to be anything special. It was actually created with this camera, but you can actually use your phone. You could have someone holding the phone up for you while you unbox it. And so what you're going to do is you're going to create an unboxing video. And to show you what that looks like, I'm just going to scrub through this real quick to show you it doesn't have to be anything great. In fact, this probably doesn't look very great. This is just me unboxing this video. I'm scrubbing through, unboxing this light. And as you can see, I am going to put this on YouTube and I'm going to make money. What I'll do is I'll add in a voiceover afterwards. You don't have to do that, but that's something that you can do as well. So this is just me unboxing the lighting, and then I will post that up on YouTube and I'll start getting traffic. So that's the first one that you want to create. The second one that you want to create is a review video. So we're just going to type in review like this, hit enter, and you're going to see there are tons of people creating reviews. 1,000 views, over 3,000 subscribers, okay? 568 views, 193 subscribers. So you can see that this will work. And again, this is going to work for anything from a water balloon to jeans to you name it, it's going to work. So that's the second type. You're going to create a review. If you don't feel comfortable creating a review right away, you can create first impressions, which is like a review but not a review. So first impressions or review will work. The third type of content you are going to create is a comparison video. You are going to tell people why you got this light versus the other alternative. So we're going to just delete review here, and we're going to type in something like versus, just like this. And you're going to find a few competitors, and you're going to say why you went with this light versus an alternative. You give a 5 or 8 minute video why you went with this light or this product, and it's going to attract another group of people. So if we hit the space bar here, it doesn't look like they have listed any competitors, but you can see here we could do, let's do God, is it God Ox? Yeah, we'll do this one, and you're going to see this one gets tons of views yet again. 2,000 views, top result, 1,000 views. You can see there's lots of opportunity here, and if, quite frankly, if there aren't any views there, if there aren't any videos that are on target, like Sunwall MT1 versus Godox, that's even more opportunity, even more reason why you should create this video, because there is opportunity in the market. Okay, so you're going to create an unboxing, a review, or first impressions. You're going to create a comparison video. You can also do a best video. So you could say best lighting for YouTube. Okay, and that's going to be yet another opportunity for you to create the 5 best lights, and you can mention Sunwell as maybe the number 1 and give your reasoning why. Now, the reason why you can do this is because most likely you just didn't wake up one day and purchase that light or this camera. You did extensive research to figure out which one was best for you. So you can put together a list of the 5 best lights for YouTube videos or the 5 best cameras for YouTube videos, and you're going to recommend that this light that you have behind you is number 1, and that's why you purchased it. So again, you're going to do unboxing, reviews, or first impression. You're going to do a comparison. You are going to do the best lighting, and then you're going to do a simple how-to video. Okay, for this light, for example, you might do a video on how to change the colors with the lighting, or how to recharge the battery. So if we come up here to the search bar, we are going to do how to change the lighting, how to change the color in Soonwell MT1, just like this. And you're going to see that once again, there are tutorials of people showing you how to do this. So you can see that this is something that you can do and have success with. 1,000 views, 20,000 subscribers, 568 views, once again, 193 subscribers. So you're simply going to do a content series on 5 videos on each product that you purchase. You can do this with products that you've already purchased. If you've already purchased a product and you don't have the box still, you can do, again, a first impressions, your initial thoughts when it comes to it, and you can be the subject matter expert because you have the product. You physically held the product. Now, the final thing that you want to make sure that you do is you want to make sure that you include the product name in the title of all of your videos, okay? You also want to make sure that you include your affiliate link in all of the videos. If you don't include your affiliate link, no one can click on your link and you won't make money. So you can get your affiliate link from Amazon Associates. You'll just type in the name of the product and you'll be able to find your affiliate link. What I recommend too is that you download something called SiteStripe. This will actually help you find the affiliate link much easier. At the top left-hand corner, as you can see, I can click on text and then I can have access to my affiliate link. I can just copy that and put it right into my YouTube videos. Now, what I recommend that you do is I recommend that you do 5 videos. You can upload all 5 of these videos Monday through Friday, and then you can work on a different content piece, a different product piece, and do this again and again and again. And this shouldn't take you really more than an hour to create these 5 videos. If each video is 10 or 15 minutes, you can have the level of success that you're looking for. Now that you know the laziest way to make money on Amazon, click the first link in the description for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.